Hey guys, welcome back to another Sunday Reset. Thank you guys for being here. Make sure you subscribe. Guys, today we are in a slow movement because I'm extremely tired, finished cleaning, starting to prep my flowers, and decided to, just take care of myself, which includes I'm gonna have lunch, get something to eat, and then we're gonna meet dinner, and then we're gonna go into taking a shower, and then we are gonna relax for the rest of the evening. So that's what we're doing. I'm just making a snack right here, just a simple smoothie bowl with some yogurt, some blueberries, and bananas and granola and stuff like that. But being a mom, that's the part of it. Olivia, she wanted something. I thought she wanted to add some fruits, but that was not the case, girl. So I was there just eating some grapes and stuff like that. So yeah guys, we're definitely just gonna have that smoothie bowl, and I think I enjoy this. I'm gonna do it more often. I normally do it once or twice or 3 times, but it wasn't something that I did like consistent and stuff, but I enjoy eating it, and to my surprise, Olivia liked it as well. So my husband also tried for the first time because this is the first time I'm using this yogurt. So we're trying to get back on track, trying to eat more healthy stuff that actually can stay in our stomach and we feel full until maybe it's dinner time or time to have another snack, which it was pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. So you guys should definitely try this right here. So we're gonna have that, chill for a minute, and then we gonna get into it because we have so much to do. Look at that, it is so good. That thing was so good. Okay, love it. Now guys, it is time after lunch. I did chill for a minute. It is time for me to start dinner. And what better way to, have a more relaxing evening than lighting your candles. I absolutely love doing that. It's become a thing for me, especially when my house is smelling so good, feeling fresh. I just light some candles in my room, in the kitchen area, and set the mood right there. I'll be listening to some music sometimes and stuff like that. Now today we're doing salmon for dinner, and I'm doing something different for myself as well, and I did enjoy it. I don't know if it's just me, but every time I do have salmon, it makes me feel full. I get so full so quick with this meat right here. So I feel like, it's a good option because I'll be eating less and losing weight. But we're just here seasoning the salmon. I'm adding some, I think I did a little bit of Old Bay. Most of that red thing is cayenne pepper. I use a lot of that. It's good to eat. It's good for inflammation. And y'all know, with inflammation or without inflammation, we can cure a lot of sickness inside our bodies. So I like to use a lot of cayenne pepper, and I like the little spice that it gives the food. It's not too much and stuff like that. Also like to add some oil. I'm using avocado oil to rub that season into the meat, and then we're going to leave that for a couple of minutes, probably an hour or 30 minutes. I did leave it, and then we're going to get into dinner. But for myself, I'm going to mince up some of these salmons and make like some salmon nuggets, and my plate is gonna be different. I can't wait for you guys to see that. But it was so good, I kid you not. That thing was so good. Anyway, we're doing the next side, making sure that we have enough seasoning. Well, not too much, but enough so it's not just tasting like there's nothing. And it was so good. I like to use these salmons. I got them in Sam's. It's just quick, easy, no hassle, no dazzle, no nothing. I don't like to eat it with the skin, so I just started to buy the one in Sam's rather, and I do enjoy it. So you guys can check out Sam's for that one. Now, after a few minutes, it's time to finally cook dinner. I'm gonna start my dinner first because I'm doing nuggets for myself. I did let the kids try it and they love it, so I feel like I'm gonna start doing the nuggets instead of just having the thick slices. And yeah, I'm not doing the oven. I'm using some avocado oil, and we're gonna do it on the stove top. And girl, it was so good. It was so good. I like to use butter most of the time just to start it off, but then I'll go ahead and add some oil. I did use the butter for mine, so that's what it is. To be honest, I should have used the avocado oil and do mine, and then just add the butter for the gravy and stuff like that. But guys, just enjoy this. It was so delicious. I like my meat well done, so we did go ahead and fry them. It's not just doops and turn them. No girl, I like to make sure it's really brown so it looks like it's cooked, because just not my thing. Not into the whole half cook or no cook meat. That's not my thing. So I like to make sure my meat is cooked and it tastes good as well. So we're gonna prep some vegetables to go on the side because we're doing like a little bowl with veggies and rice and salmon. Can't wait for you guys to see that. I'm super excited because I'm getting into that, that zone of trying new stuff. And I did enjoy this for dinner. It's really quick and easy because I use the rice cooker to do dinner, so it's really good. Let me tell you guys something. My kids ate tomatoes. Tell me why they're eating the cherry tomatoes. Isn't that wonderful? Kyra was like, Mom, can I have one of that? I'm like, it's tomatoes. She said, yeah, I know. Boom. That's what we're getting all the time because they're eating the cherry tomatoes. Fun fact, I don't like it, but it's more presentable and it's better to use. So I'm going to start. Once the kids like it, then that's what we're buying. So I'm excited. And Kyra is the one child that hates vegetables the most. But I'm happy, okay? I am. So while I was cooking dinner, my husband sent me a podcast and I was listening to it. And let me tell you something, these people did not tell no lie, okay? Yeah, they did not tell no lie. We'll speak about that in our podcast, but they did not. Anyway, we're doing some cucumbers because I love it and it's good. It's very refreshing. I just don't like to eat it too late because it rests on my stomach. So that's what I'm adding to my bowl with the cherry tomatoes, of course. I had a piece more cucumber leaf and I left it for the next day because I had like 5 in the fridge and they got spoiled. Okay, now that's my rice. We're adding some asparagus to that. I did cook it in the same oil that we did the salmon and it's so good. You should try it with some black pepper, really good. Now those are my salmon nuggets right there. Looks so good. Oh, it was delicious, I tell you. It was delicious. Okay, we're then gonna add our veggies, our cucumbers, and our cherry tomatoes. I don't like to eat dressing, so the gravy that I made, that's what we added. Oh child, listen, let me tell you something. Just pause, look at my plate. I could not find nothing to sprinkle on that thing. You know what I use? Some thyme. Yep, that's what we did. But now after eating, the house was clean, it's time for you girl to take a shower. It's time to relax. Me and my husband, we're gonna watch some movie. And me and Olivia actually woke up. You guys will see. She did wake up. So topped it off. My husband was doing something, so I started the movie by myself. He was upset, but that's what it is. Yup, that's what it is. After shower, it's time to do my skincare. And we're using the vitamin C cleanser. I love this cleanser. I more so use it in the mornings because it's so gentle. This cleanser, you don't have to worry about nothing, okay? This is gonna brighten your skin. It's an anti-aging set as well, so if you feel like you don't look fresh and young enough, then make sure you get this set. It is so good. Alright, know that vitamin C is good for the skin, and these products, especially the serum, have 20% vitamin C. We have stem cells in these. All my products, by the way, have hyaluronic acid in them, and that's gonna help your skin. I'm using the green toner because this one has in cucumber and watermelon and aloe and just green tea, and there's just so much dandelion. There's so much good products in these stuff. The same thing that we can take, we can add to our skin, and that's the good thing because these products go into your pores, so all over we gonna be healthy. Okay, they're all natural. The serum as well helps with hyperpigmentation, dark spots, sunburn, any problems that you have. This is it. So if you're struggling with dark spot, then get the green set. Okay, if you want your skin to just look radiant, bright and pretty, then you can use the vitamin C set. So I'll go ahead and mix mine, from time to time because that's just me. Whenever I'm on my cycle, I'll go ahead and use the blue set just to stop the breakout. And child, that thing works, okay? And that one is the acne set. But we're using the spatula that comes if you buy a set or a moisturizer. You'll get this spatula to add it to your face, and our logo is on it, of course. And I'm using the green moisturizer. I absolutely love this moisturizer. I feel like it's my favorite out of all moisturizers just because it feels so cool and it locks everything into your skin. All right, a lot of people love the vitamin C cream, but I love this one the most. So that's what we're doing. I also like to, if there's more products, just rub it on my neck area because you know what, that's just how it is. After I'm done taking a shower, y'all, I feel so good. After a long day, take your shower, add your Carmex Steel lips, go to bed rather. You gonna get into that vibe, I promise you. So that's what it is. You see that blue light? That's the vibe right there, okay? Anyway, you can shop WatchCrissyWork.com to get your skincare products. Go over the skincare tab and seal it off. Now it's time for Netflix and chill. Did you guys watch The Fatal Seduction? That movie is so good. I'm not done, but that's the one I started it and I had to stop because baby Olivia woke up. My husband went out. There were persons here, so I had to stop it because it's not for me alone. Look at that. Just look at that, okay? It is so good. Look, this child is up. Yep. So I had to just pause the movie put her to bed, and then get back in the mood. But it is time for me to finally relax, and God is amazing. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being here. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Peace. Bye, y'all. God is love.